Thinking of checking out open houses in Sarnia? It's a great way to explore different homes and neighborhoods, but you need to know what to look for. In this video, I'll walk you through what smart buyers look for during open houses in Sarnia. Start by evaluating the condition of the home. Are there signs of water damage, aging windows, or repairs needed? These are all clues to how well the home has been maintained. Next, think about layout. Does the space flow well? Can you see yourself living comfortably in the home as it is? Pay attention to the neighborhood. Are nearby homes cared for? Is it a quiet, walkable area? These are big quality of life factors. Talk to the agent hosting the open house. Ask about time on market, any price changes, or expected offers. These details help shape your offer strategy. Take photos and notes so you can remember what stood out, especially if you're seeing multiple homes in a weekend. Want expert eyes on the process? We help Sarnia buyers shop smart, compare listings, and find the right fit. Reach out today and we'll help you line up the best open houses to visit this month.